I'm James Spann. This is the afternoon edition of the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Monday, the 18th of October. Pretty quiet day in the weather office, and man, what a nice sunrise this morning. Grabbed some images off the Skycam network about 6:50 or so. Isn't that nice? That's the view coming from Decatur. What a sky. That's overlooking the Tennessee River. That was you coming from Russellville up in Franklin County and from Trussville early this morning. Just fantastic. Peek at the look this afternoon. That's coming from Tuscaloosa. And we've got some mid-level clouds up at about 15 to 20,000 feet. In some places blocking the sun, but generally speaking, pretty decent day today. There's the water vapor satellite shot. You can see a little shortwave coming through that's bringing those mid-level clouds in here. But underneath that, the air dry as a bone, so obviously no rain around here today. And again, the prospects of rain just not looking good for a while. How many times have we said that in the last 2 months? Temperatures at 2 o'clock range from 74 at Haleyville to 81 at Montgomery. Most folks around here sitting around 80. And around the nation, the warm spot seems to be about Oklahoma City over to Memphis, parts of Texas, and up north it's awfully chilly. The nation pretty much bisected with very chilly Canadian air to the north and the warm afternoon temperatures down here to the south. And there's a look at the QPF chart. Rain for the next 5 days. Not very much. This is valid through Saturday morning at 7 o'clock. And there might be a little bit of rain, showers, sprinkles Wednesday morning, but probably nothing beyond that. No help from the tropics in terms of getting rain in here. We've got a little disturbance near the coast of Central America. And more than likely, it just kind of sits there for the next 5 days. And a couple of models bring it out, but more than likely, it just kind of meanders about. If by chance this thing ramps up to a tropical storm, the name will be Richard. We'll watch it, but again, no issue here. So let's look at the GFS. This is the 12Z run, valid at 1 o'clock tomorrow, 1 o'clock Tuesday. Got a broad troughing over the east, a closed upper low just below San Diego. And down below, tomorrow should be, again, a partly sunny day, very similar to today. And temperatures pretty warm for this time of the year. Both the NAM and the GFS are spitting out 83 tomorrow. That's about 10 degrees above average within 5 of the record. The record high for tomorrow is 88. Wednesday, the synoptic model still looks dry, but let's go to late Tuesday night here, coming off the RPM. This is valid at, let's see here, 07Z. That's 2 a.m. Wednesday. And you can see a little band of showers coming through here. So late tomorrow night, early Wednesday, there might be a few raindrops, but most of you, if by chance it rains where you live, will sleep right through it and you won't see it. And certainly nothing beneficial. Now, Thursday, in the wake of that, a pretty good trough is over the east, and down below that, we have a new surge of cooler air dropping in here. So the numbers should come down. The high Thursday should be in the upper 70s. Friday, beautiful day with dry air in place. We'll start the day in the 40s, wind up in the upper 70s more than likely. And Saturday, starting off the weekend, yet another great day for football. Goodness, we've had some great weekends of late. The high Saturday should be around 80 after a morning low of 50, and there's Sunday pretty much the same deal. Now, Monday of next week, it's kind of a battle here between that 588 warm ridge over South Florida and the southeastern Gulf and the shortwave to the west over Texas. And unfortunately, this run has backed off on the rain. You know, the run we showed you this morning, the OZ run from last night looked pretty wet. Well, now, guess what? Looks kind of dry. And there's Tuesday. Again, we got a wide open Gulf. The better dynamics are off to the west. And then Wednesday, the 27th, finally a few rain showers creep in here, but I'm afraid the dynamics are kind of marginal with the upper ridge holdings. So, again, there is hope that we're going to get some rain early next week, but how much? Very much up in the air due to model madness. And you know the deal. It's October. You always trend toward a dry solution. That's just climatology. We'll go out there to Halloween, the 31st. Nice little trough axis there from the Great Lakes down through Alabama, and that just might bring us a decent round of rain. And again, I think there will be at least 2 or 3 opportunities for some decent rain for the latter 10 days of this month. And then the end of the forecast on the 3rd of November. Still, that's not going to bring us any really cold air. Notice how that's all cut off. Trough axis northwest of here. And again, that looks relatively quiet and relatively mild out there as we kick off the month of November. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. And if you're local to us, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 in Birmingham at 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful evening, and God bless.
Each day there are new stories to tell about the people who live here and the place we call home.
All of the faces that I see, all of the places close to me, they're all part of all the best things about home.
Sharing your stories on ABC 3340, Alabama's news leader.